Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Just wanted to update you all on futures. Futures do look good. This doesn't necessarily mean that we're, back on bullish trend, right? We're still at that 443 mark that I said was very, very important and crucial to the S&P 500. The more important part here is Tuesday's date of January 25th, which is Microsoft earnings. And if you guys were on my live, I told you guys exactly why this is extremely important. Microsoft is possibly the biggest or the highest traded stock throughout, the political sector as far as politicians goes, the government, whatever. So it can be a really good indication of where the market is actually headed to. So if Microsoft ends up selling off on Tuesday after earnings, or there seems to be some weird stuff going on with Microsoft on Tuesday, I think it's going to be an early sign of the direction that we're actually going to take. And also Jerome Powell's talk, or Jerome Powell's what is it called, the speech or whatever is going to happen, the event on Tuesday, is extremely important. I'm going to be listening to all that and probably give you guys a really quick overview of what was said in the meeting. But again, futures are green. Not necessarily. I don't necessarily think this is a good thing. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's good. It just is, right? It's at that 443 resistance right now. I think that, this can go either way. As far as right now, I don't really care about the green. I'm not overhyping this or anything. I want to know what happens with Microsoft for earnings on Tuesday and Jerome Powell's meeting. That's it. I don't really care about the futures being green or being red. Very important to see what happens on Tuesday, and then we'll kind of go from there. Do I think that we are at the bottom? I don't think so. Do I think we're at the top? I don't think so. I have no idea, right? We're waiting for news, we're waiting for confirmation, and we're waiting to see what happens. Futures are green, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything, because this can definitely turn sour in the next couple of hours. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.